Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave and
Nick. Lawrence.
Lawrence?
Yes. We need you to get help.
Company. DIY Dave and Company. We'll just go with company. Well, in case you didn't know, we are going through an advent calendar this month. 24 days of Christmas we're having. Yes, we are. And this year we are doing the Lego City Advent Calendar. Each day we are putting together a new piece to build our city. And today I think it's Nick's turn.
No, it's his.
Oh, today I think it's Lawrence's turn. So, we'll be right back. Okay, Mr. Lawrence, find day 13. I think he's on top of it. Let's see what he got. Oh, it looks like he's putting together Christmas dinner.
Looks like pudding. Figgy pudding.
A table and
a cookie.
That's some big food for such small people.
Well, maybe it's because there's so many mouths to feed.
That could be it. They all get little tiny pieces of it. Makes sense.
I mean, look at their tiny mouths.
They'll never finish that. We may have to help them eat it.
Sorry, plastic. Can't eat that.
Well, you can. It's just not good for you. So, we've got a bus, we've got an ambulance, we've got a monster truck, we've got a dinner table that's bigger than our tree.
You don't need a little thing for the cookie thing. Pizza?
He can do it. He'll do it however he wants. It's got a big candle on it too. Boy, this is exciting. Is he almost there?
Oh, look at what you've done. You've ruined Christmas.
I think he can fix it. He can save Christmas. Right? He can save Christmas. He's putting greenery on top of our food. Maybe. They must have been concerned that you were going to lose your cherries there because you got a set of 2. Little pieces.
They were probably worried that I was going to break it in the process.
Well, don't break it, Mom. Don't break it. There you go. Multitasking. Oh, broke the chair. Or table, I mean. And we have a table. Check that out. It looks like Christmas to me. What do y'all think? Yeah. It doesn't look like our Christmas table either. But we'll take it. This was day 13. So, shouldn't we have had the ambulance come after the dinner table? All right, well, Dave has finished up day 13. We have
Is there a cat over
the
there?
Christmas.
11 more days.
We have 11 more days till Christmas.
12 more.
Oh my!
11 more days until we're done with this.
Which is Christmas Eve, so
That would be 12 more days.
that's according to how you look at it. Anyway, oh, Christmas dinner fell again.
Christmas is canceled.
Yes, I can save money.
Christmas has officially been uncancelled. In spite of Crazy Dave.
Well, I guess y'all just have to wait and see what happens. This has been Dave with DIY Dave and Company. We'll be back tomorrow to open up day 14. Make sure you don't miss it. Click that subscribe button and the little bell beside it. And give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And there went Christmas again.
Oh, good job.
It'll be okay. We'll get our act together tomorrow.
Good job, Lawrence.
Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you. Bye.